What's going on, everybody? We are here for a new video. It's about time. So today, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be installing BC Racing coilovers on the 79 Rabbit. I am super excited about this, and I've been waiting very patiently for this. So at the end of September, I contacted BC Racing about my idea for putting BC Racing coilovers on the Rabbit. Since I got a really low mileage original one owner vehicle, I wanted to treat the car with as much respect as I could with the best option of coils that I could think of that I had experience with in the past, and that was BC Racing. So they actually had reached out to me. Shout out to Cody from BC Racing, such a cool guy. And they offered me a full sponsorship for the coilovers. So they sent me the BC Racing BR type coilovers, and they took like 2 to 3 weeks for them to make them since they don't keep Mark 1 coilovers in stock per se. So they made the coilovers, built them for me, and shipped them to me. And they also sent me some other goodies as well. I got a koozie, some awesome stickers, and a t-shirt. So shout out to BC Racing. I am very excited. I was wanting a coilover that wasn't cheap because on my previous Mark 1s, I'd always run cheap coilovers that got the job done, but they didn't have versatility. And for such a nice, clean, original car, I wanted that versatility. So without further ado, let's get started on this. I just want to say ahead of time, I cannot wait to work further with BC Racing. Like I said, I do have some experience with BC Racing. I had them on my Speed 3, but I'd already bought the car with the coilovers on it, so I never installed them or anything, but the car handled amazingly. I daily drove it for 3 years without any issues. Like I said, I've run cheaper coils on other Rabbits before, and yeah, it gets the job done just to lower it. But as far as versatility, comfortability, and options go, they were not there at all, I'm going to be honest. So I'm excited to work with BC Racing. Again, shout out to BC Racing. Thank you so much. I will leave a link in the description to their website if you want some BC Racing coils for your Rabbit or your Mark 1. And yeah, let's just get started on this video. I am super pumped. It's going to be 20 degrees today. It's going to be really cold, maybe like a high of 34. So we're just going to get in the car, head to gauges, and start filming.
Until you know what I mean? Until you get a setup where you can lower the front more. It is weird till you get used to it. Now, yeah. Did it move on you? I normally try to grab the body of it.
Alright guys, we are officially on the road. I've been on the road for about 10 minutes now. Gage and I did take it for a little test drive after we adjusted everything. The back is currently sitting a little bit lower than the front, and the only reason we kind of left it that way is we didn't know how high we can go in the rear before we kind of ran out of threads, because there's a little window that kind of shows you how many threads you're at. We just went just above that just to play it safe, and I don't really want to lower the front yet because it might still settle over the next couple of days. So I still got about another 20-25 minute drive. And so far it's great. It's way stiffer in the best way ever, because with that stock suspension, the back just sat so high, and taking it around turns, it just was so wobbly and bouncy. You know, cars from the 70s. So now it's more stiff. I will eventually adjust the dampening once I get in alignment. So I'm gonna drive it home, probably out to my girlfriend's house tonight, just to see, make sure everything's good. Got the heat working, so today was a good day. Huge shout out to Gage for helping me. He's got the garage space, the tools, and the knowledge. We lowered my Blue Rabbit almost 3 years ago, and that was a mess just because of how messy and rusty the car was, and we used really cheap coilovers. BC Racing hooked it up. I mean, seriously, like, I am so proud to be on BC coils. I had a 2008 Mazda Speed 3 that was actually on BC coils as well. I bought the car like that, so I didn't put those on, but it handled so freaking well. I never adjusted the dampening or anything on that, because like when I bought it, it had already been kind of fine-tuned. So this one we'll get to do. Hopefully that's not too bright for you guys. The sun's kind of peeking, but I'm just super happy with you know, just having such a clean, original, and nice car, and being able to run a reputable and nice quality coilover on it. Really makes me happy, because we will have wheels coming here very, very soon. Well, not very, very soon. We're waiting just because it's winter. It's already almost Christmas. So this is the best Christmas gift ever from BC Racing. I seriously appreciate it, and I cannot wait to work with BC Racing in the future. I reached out to BC Racing back at the end of October, and Cody from BC Racing got back to me right away and offered a full sponsorship for the car, which is absolutely amazing. They built these coils, which took like 2 to 3 weeks, because obviously there's not a lot of people ordering coils for the Mark 1 chassis. And thankfully, I'm excited. I only know like maybe one person personally that runs BC. So I'm excited to see them for myself and kind of compare it to how my previous vehicle handled, which it's already 1,000 times better. And like I said, once we get the alignment, adjust the dampening, and then get wheels, adjust the ride height, do another alignment, and adjust the dampening again, we should get this thing perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be trying to post as much as we can. We'll have a wheel reveal coming hopefully soon, but we will have some updates on after the alignment's done and everything like that. Once again, huge shout out to BC Racing, especially Cody from BC Racing, for willing to offer this sponsorship. And if you guys are interested in BC Racing coils for your Mark 1, click the first link in the description and it'll take you there. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for more videos and updates on this car. I will be posting a full set of photos on Instagram, and as well as a little video edit. So thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And if I don't make a video by Christmas, I hope you guys all have a great Christmas.